After clicking on the link, you will be brought to the Teach Southwest Conference event page. Here, you will see a list of the session titles and descriptions. The only required session for each day is the keynote session. So you're going to click Select next to the keynote session for each day. Each day also provides concurrent sessions that you may want to attend. You can only choose one session per time slot. If you try to choose more than one session in a given time slot, then you will see an error message. You will see there are slots for day 1, session 1, day 1, session 2, and so on. You simply click the select button next to the session or sessions that you wish to attend. Now, each session takes up one session slot except for the Arkansas History session. This is a 2-slot workshop. It takes a session 3 and a session 4 slot for day 1. If you try to pick the Arkansas History workshop and you have selected a day 1 session 3 item, you will get an error message. Just simply make corrections as needed. Closing sessions are optional. However, door prizes will be awarded during the closing sessions, and attendees must be present to win, so you don't want to miss out on that. Be sure to select the closing sessions. Again, if you are attending the second day, you must choose the Day 2 keynote with Kevin Honeycutt. As with Day 1, you will select your desired sessions for Day 2. Remember, you can only select one workshop for each time slot. Remember, pick the closing session for Day 2. You don't want to miss out on those door prizes. When you're ready, at the bottom, you're going to enter your email address and click Add to Cart. Now, the system is a little wonky, so you're going to be returned back to the conference page, but you will see your registration cart in the upper right corner. Click the One Items link to begin the checkout process. Note, if your email address is registered to one of the Southwest Arkansas Education Cooperative Professional Development Consortium school districts, that your total will be 0. That's right. This is free for co-op member districts. When you're ready to check out, click the Checkout button. Now, if you already have a Shoebox account, log in to finish the checkout process. If you do not already have a Shoebox account, then use the link to create an account. This is no different than creating an account on a site like Amazon or Facebook. Just provide the necessary information. If you're not sure, just use other as your district and other information. If payment is required, choose the cash option and your school district will be invoiced on your behalf. Once you're logged in, you will click the Complete Checkout button. You should see a thank you page. You should also receive an email confirmation to the email that you logged in with. The email confirmation also shows the test components for each session, and you can use these as artifacts as needed. If you need additional help or would like some more information, contact us at 870-777-3076. Hope to see you there.